Hello, and thank you for joining our webinar today. My name is Triinu, and I'm a CRM consultant in PCS Itera. Today, I will walk you through Dynamics 365 Sales, which is a highly functional CRM solution. And before I start, I will briefly go over today's topics, what I will be talking about. I will show an overview of the sales solution, how you can effectively manage customer relationships and sales projects there, and how well the analytics helps us. My goal today is to show some of the most useful out-of-the-box features of the CRM. Even though Dynamics 365 offers various functionalities and modules, in today's webinar, I will focus mainly on the sales module, which helps optimize sales and customer management processes. But there are also different modules for marketing, for customer service, and for managing outsourced services. Before we dive into the demo, let's also briefly summarize the benefits such a complete CRM provides. Dynamics 365 Sales enables sales teams to track and analyze customer interactions, including emails, meetings, and phone calls. This function is further enhanced with the platform's AI capabilities, which give predictive insights and recommendations to salespersons. By analyzing customer data and interactions, the AI-powered features help sales teams prioritize leads, personalize customer engagement, and identify potential opportunities for both upselling and cross-selling. The powerful reporting and analytics tools also offer valuable insights into sales performance. As sales managers can generate detailed reports such as sales pipeline, conversion rates, and revenue forecasts, businesses can make informed decisions and optimize their sales strategies for better results. Additionally, the platform offers customizable dashboards that allow users to visualize data in a way that is meaningful. For example, they help to monitor individual progress towards sales targets, track performance, and identify areas for improvement, helping teams stay focused and motivated. Furthermore, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales integrates easily with other Microsoft applications, such as Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint. This allows teams to access customer information and communication history directly from the Dynamics 365 interface and helps them collaborate more effectively. I guess it would be nice to see the CRM in action now. And as I said in the beginning, let's start with the sales overview and then go over the customer relationships and sales project management. And finally, let's check some analytics. I have now opened the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales Sandbox environment. Currently, you can see the activities page where I can check all necessary tasks that needs to be done for today or which ones can still wait. But if you look at the menu bar on the left here, you will see different functionalities that the CRM solution enables. The entire menu and actually all the data fields, which you will soon see on different views, can be configured just for your needs. Unnecessary functions can be hidden, and you can also rename them or create new required fields. For example, if you decide to not use the orders feature here, for example, it can be easily hidden from the menu. At the top right, you will find a convenient quick creation button. It's located here, the plus sign here. With that, you can create new records anywhere in the CRM. For example, if you are dealing with a sales opportunity, but a call comes in and you need to quickly create a new case or a new lead, with that quick create button, you can easily do it so that your current work wouldn't be interfered with. The search engine, which is located at the top of the page here, it's quite simple, but it's also quite powerful search bar. For example, if I search by the words Harry demo, all matches related to these words are displayed, whether it's a contact or a lead, and after choosing the correct result, I can conveniently open the desired record. It is often necessary to quickly find a customer sales opportunity, but when you only remember a keyword from it, such a cross-solution advanced search helps a lot. Diving into our second topic now. I will show you how customers are managed in sales. Overall, if you navigate around here, you are greeted by familiar views, as the layout of different views is kept the same on purpose. Under the customer section, if I click on contacts and then on accounts, very little changes when not focusing on the details. And while the list view is nice and simple, the detail view which I now opened, is really powerful. You are greeted with an account-specific dashboard containing, for example, the contact data of the customer, timeline of recent activities related to the account, and the most recent cases, quotes, and contacts. You decide which info is important, and the sales solution enables to configure it for your needs. For example, we can use the Details tab here up for more specific company-related information, and also gather all the leads, opportunities, and quotes, orders, invoices, information related to that specific account to one place. Just need to click on different tabs. Important addition to accounts are their contact persons. Again, list view gives a simple overview, and the detail view is where the magic happens. Let's look at this demo user here. As soon as I open it, I can see from timeline, let's wait a bit, it loads. I can see from timeline when the last contact was. Now let's scroll a bit down. I can see when the last contact was, and I can also see that there are some opportunities I can take actions on over here. So there are some opportunities, but no contact has been made for a while, and I can already make some assumptions on it. An interesting thing to note here is the AI-powered summary here, created by Microsoft Copilot, which give a nice short overview of the recent activities made here, so that I actually don't have to scroll over all the activities here. And here I will also talk about Outlook integration. In the settings, you can specify what you want to connect to Outlook, either only emails or also tasks and calendar. If I schedule a meeting on the contact card, which can be done here, if Outlook is integrated, the invitation will automatically appear in the Outlook calendar as well, also vice versa. When I start the meeting from Outlook calendar, I choose from the Outlook if I want it to be connected to an entity and CRM or not. And if I have an email from someone who is not yet in CRM, thanks to the Outlook integration, it can be quickly saved. I will still open now Outlook here. I have an email from Microsoft Power Apps team. Let's imagine that it is from a customer. And I will show you how convenient it is to save a contact from an email. To do this, I have actually already opened the Dynamics 365 application here. It's on the right side here. I can later show you how it's opened also. And select the plus sign from the bottom. I can choose how I want to save it, either as an account or lead or a contact. Right now, I will choose it as a contact. And it pre-fills all the necessary data that it can get from the email. All other fields can be entered manually. All the emails that are tracked to CRM also have this blue track to Dynamics icon. You can see from the left side here. This way, I already actually know if the emails are also in CRM or not. I can easily remove them from the CRM that way as well. And if I open an email now from a contact that is already in CRM, because it has the blue tag track to Dynamics, right? Then it shows all related data that it already has in CRM. I can even check the opportunity from this small app here when I don't want to bother going to CRM. Some people might like Outlook more, but I can also easily open the record from here to the Sales app as well. So right now, from this right side panel, I have this Dynamics 365 app open. Of course, it's a bit slow right now, but it would show the opportunity. Okay, now it loaded. And I can check it. And if there seems something critical or important, I can then easily go choose here view in Dynamics 365, and it would open the corresponding page on my web page. Thanks to the integration, CRM can quickly and conveniently save contacts from emails and similarly add the history of correspondence to one contact card. This is very important if several employees deal with the same customer or employees change. Historical information data can be available for a long time now. And when I open the account or contact in CRM, I can also see all the emails we have exchanged. In here also, there's an email from this customer, and it already shows in the CRM. I can open it here as well and view more info. So everything is integrated and I can do work either from Outlook or from CRM. And moving on to our third topic, sales project management. Let's look at how in sales the progress is set up by default. Let's say we get a promising phone call and decide to act on it by creating a lead. For the sake of demo, I have already entered some basic information to a lead, but as you can see, there's a lot of possibilities here for improving the lead. Here you also see a sales process on the upper part here. But let's say, for the sake of, again, for the demo today, that it is the corresponding sales process for this specific customer. But when I get another phone call which needs another sales process, then I can easily switch the sales process as well. So you don't only need to have one process. And when your business flow is set up, you can choose however many business processes you need, and the flow will be tailored to your needs. This also means that a lot of the steps here can also be automated, bringing the manual work to a minimum. And it also tells us what step needs to be done before closing this lead or project and what information needs to be gathered. So I, as a salesperson, wouldn't forget it. And when I have gathered first important information to change a lead to a more realistic opportunity, I can qualify it. Qualify button is also seen here. And as I haven't entered this contact, here on the left side, you can see a little bit more information. I haven't entered this contact and this business account to the system yet because I didn't know if there would be any potential at all with this customer. The system will allow to create them automatically, so I wouldn't need to do double entries. But let's try this then. I will click on qualify, and as you can see, it will show you what it will create also as opportunity contact account. So 3 entities will be created with this one button. And this qualifying action turns the lead into an opportunity now. It takes a little bit time. And this is really convenient to use, for example, when an assistant is dealing with only leads and the sales specialist takes it over only when they are qualified, only when these leads are qualified to opportunities. So it really benefits in these cases. But navigating now to opportunities dashboard, we can see our opportunity. Let's wait, I will show you the list. Yeah, we can see our opportunity alongside all others. I can also use here in this view, for example, Kanban view. I really like this, which is actually quite convenient for checking in which step an opportunity currently is. And by hand, you can actually move them. Also popular view is focused view, which is quite similar to Outlook view. So you have all the lists on the left side and content would be on the right side. But navigating back to the opportunities view, sorry, read only grid I wanted to get. I will open this time the interesting customer insight. Let's open up opportunity now so that we can make the sales happen. And again, you can see the nice tailored sales process here. I'm already on the next step, collecting data. I have a few steps to go. Another nice thing to note here is the up next widget, which points out what I should be doing next, because I have added it as a task. I think it's really cool. And you can again see all the information related to the lead that has come over now to the opportunity, and also quotes tab here, because from an opportunity you can create quotes. In this case, it's already in active status. You can have many quotes here, like sending out to customer doesn't accept it, and sending it back to you. You will send, like, for example, third, fourth quote, and it will all appear here. And of course, if needed, other tabs can be added here as well, like the products. But in this case, let's just see what happens when I close it as one Does it need any more information? Does it ask? Yes, it does. So in these cases also, as when I click on close as lost, you can enter more information here. Right now I will show you also close as lost. And if you always fill in all the information, especially those status reasons and or competitors, it will all be beneficial for you for later on statistics. So you will have a lot of good analytics. And we can either also in this CRM, we can actually also have additional codes, orders and invoices, which were, you can see on this left panel here, quotes, orders, invoices. In this demo, I won't show them, but you can also create them in CRM, send them out here, or you can have integrations with some other ERPs if you're using for accounting to just have all the information in one place so that you don't have to use a lot of different ERPs. And I also want to shortly talk about a really powerful feature of sales, which is sequences. These help you automate all sorts of functionality all across the solution. So, and let's take a look at one. I have already opened it. The goal of sequence and automation is to really streamline and standardize your processes to ensure you consistently have timely follow-ups and to improve your conversion rate. From sales perspective, sequences are meant for making your life, of course, easier. And as you could already see, when I scroll down, you can see a pre-made example about a lead. So here it shows how you could potentially set up an automated process about how to approach leads in general. It's kind of self-explanatory and entirely customizable, but the general idea is that the sales help you keep track of and approach all leads in the same manner. In this case, the system automatically sends out an email, then waits for 5 hours, creates you a task when needed, and so on. So you can create those sequences as many as you need to, and they can automatically run in the background. But going back to the CRM, let's start already with the fourth and last topic of the demo, which is analytics. The CRM can greet you with a fully customizable dashboard that is aimed at maximizing your productivity by emphasizing in real time what's currently important. There are a bunch of built-in dashboards provided out of the box. For example, sales dashboard. I have now opened. Gives an overview of your daily needs. Here, for example, I can see all my activities, open opportunities, open leads, active accounts, opportunities by sales pipeline, and so on. But for example, marketing dashboard can be graded for marketing persons. Maybe they are more interested in seeing all the leads by source campaign, which campaigns are the greatest, or all leads by source. What works for this kind of company? And as a comparison, I will also show you team activity dashboard, which gives an overview of how the ongoing goal has gone for you and your entire team. It shows you opportunities open this week by the sales pipeline, active goals by percentage, also leads open this week, only one in this case, and so on. And of course, I can create my own dashboards where I myself choose which info is important for me. So it shows I don't have any open leads right now because I already qualified the one that I had, right? And I have some open opportunities, and it will also show some activities for me and orders if necessary. And these dashboards, they can be shared with the team as well. So you can have dashboards that are meant for the whole team or only for you yourself. And finally, I also want to show you these sales usage reports here. In Dynamics 365 Sales, there's a lot of built-in analytics possibilities in this dedicated view as well. One of the useful features is analyzing how different salespersons are able to create and act upon opportunities. Same goes for leads, of course. You can also see who has used or modified account or contact person data. This all allows you to make informed decisions about various topics like employee performance or organizing internal trainings. And analytics is also basis for all sorts of programmatic and AI-powered functionalities like notifications and forecast for the future, which all help you stay one step ahead of your competition. So this one just gave you an overview of how well the analytics is shown already in CRM. And that is actually everything that I plan to demonstrate today. This I already showed you. And just to sum up, Dynamics 365 Sales is a really powerful tool that helps you optimize your sales and customer management processes. I hope this overview has been useful and inspiring, but if you need to know more, please do contact us. But until then, thank you for listening and have a nice day.